What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a color transformation using hair from Hairsmarket. I'm so excited to do this because this hair was kind of like a challenge, mainly because it's a color that I would not go to. So what's in the box is you get a wig cap and you get an info pamphlet, and basically they're just telling you all about the company, stuff that they sell, the type of wigs that they sell. Literally, it's very nice to go through and just look at if you're new to wigs and you're trying to find out what's up. And then they just give you an extra cute little clip. So this is the hair. It's 22 inches, 22 inches of this very orange, very orange um wig. It basically has a bang, so there's no lace in the hair at all. It's just tracks, and it has a fringe or bang, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, basically there are clips inside, there are tracks, and there are also adjustable straps, which I used to make the hair tighter. I don't have to lay it because there's no lace, so that's great. It is a very convenient wig. That's why I wanted to make it a color that would suit my skin tone. I don't think this orange suits my skin tone. So to make it something a little friendlier to me, I got 3 packs of this Revlon Color Silk dye, basically, and it is in the color 67. And I want to show you what's inside here because this really does help for you to understand, and it's really easy. I think you guys should get this. That white thing was basically the developer, and this is the actual color. And it also comes with this conditioner that you just leave after you dye the hair. And it has an info pamphlet, but it's really cool because it has the gloves stuck to the info pamphlet. I was kind of worried because the first time I used the Color Silk, I didn't have gloves. But then I saw the info pamphlet comes with gloves, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. So you've got gloves if you don't have any. And I want to show you guys how to actually mix your dye. So you take the developer and you mix the color into it. It is perfectly ratioed out to where you won't have any excess, so you just throw everything away when it's done. It literally fits into each other. It's the perfect amount. And yeah, basically you just pour that color into the white bottle, and then when you close it up, you just shake it, basically. Nothing crazy, nothing wild. You just close it up, and you don't cut the top or the tip yet. You're going to want to do it to all of your bottles. I did it to all 3. I prepped it so that when I was dyeing the hair, I didn't need to go and mix another bottle type of thing. And all you do is just snip the top. And I'm so glad I got 3 of these. So glad. But then we're going to go into the bathroom, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I just have my gloves on. You want to make sure your gloves are on because you'll dye your nails and your hands. It's not going to be cute. And as you can see, the bottles are ready for me. So basically, because there's no lace, I have nothing to protect, so I can go wild. I went in. So yeah, literally that is what I did. I just took all my color, and I was like, okay, first bottle, okay, it didn't really cover that much. Second bottle, okay, it's not really finishing like all the spots that I wanted to touch. But the third bottle was an excess, so it like did more than enough. So I'm really, really glad that I got 3 bottles of this. And basically all I did was lather this everywhere. Literally, I took it and I put it everywhere. Wherever I saw an orange spot, that's where I put it. And I made sure that I covered the wig properly. And I wanted to make sure because I was like, okay, I don't want there to be weird orange patches. I would much rather that if I left some orange, it looks more like a highlight than it looking like, oh, I missed a spot. So that's what I did. And then I left it to sit and chill for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I went in with shampoo. I basically just used this one from Moroccan Oil that I use all the time. I need to restock, it's running out. But yeah, then I just washed my hair. So yeah, guys, this is the finished result. I love the way it came out. It's this burgundy cranberry highlighted but like burnt orange type of vibe. It's beautiful. I love it. And if you want to shop this hair, then go ahead and go into my description box. I'll have everything you need from Hairsmarket. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I love this hair. Please go like my pictures on Instagram, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.